Guys, gals, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where today it is time for a giveaway. It has been a long time since I've given anything back to the viewers, and today that changes. I have 3 U.S. military first aid kits. These are IFAK kits. That stands for Individual First Aid Kit, and I have 3 for you all. Here's a little side story for you. A long time ago, I used to work at a candy factory. And there were times where you would be bored for extended periods of time, so I taught myself to juggle. Now, I don't know if I can juggle something this big, 3 of these, but let's see if I can or not. Let's find something I can juggle. All right, getting warmed up again. It's a little bit dark here. Kind of hard to see them. Anyways, guys, let's get back to the giveaway here. I will go ahead and discuss with you all how to enter for this giveaway, and then at the very end, I will show you all what is inside of this kit. Okay, if you are interested in winning one of the 3 first aid kits, all you have to do is tell me what is your favorite piece of gear that you guys saw in the most recent Military Surplus Overnight Adventure from the Outdoor Gear Review. You will find a link to that Overnight Adventure video. Watch it. Comment down below with what your favorite piece of gear was in the comment section. Within 3 weeks, I will be selecting the winners of these kits, so make sure to enter now. Guys, thank you all for supporting the channel. You all are appreciated big time. Big time. More giveaways are coming up. Last week, we took a look at what was inside each of these kits. I will just use footage from that video, so I don't have to do it twice. Now, just in case you're wondering, the NSN number is 65 45 01 525 98 49. So this is the kit itself. As you can see, it has a resealable bag. The quality of this bag is so-so. So let's talk about what is inside of this military IFAK kit. Now to start off here, we have 2 of the dry sterile burn dressings. This is a 45-inch by 45-inch by 63-inch burn dressing and bandage. We have an electrolyte mix to correct and prevent dehydration. Interesting. We have a surgical marker. We also have a first aid medical card. You also get this first aid instruction guide. You get 3 first aid ointments to help prevent infection. You receive 4 safety pins. This kit comes with 5 rectangle size bandages, and it looks to be about 10 small band-aids. The last component of this kit is a tube of chapstick. I'm surprised that this is actual chapstick and not some sort of military grade knockoff, like Uncle Sam's lip balm or something or other, you know what I mean? So there you go, everyone. That is what is included inside of these IFAK first aid kits. Make sure to enter now. Comment down below after you watch the video. Oh yeah, strength and honor, everybody. Take care. I'll see you guys on the trail.